3 tricks for a man to beg being with you. Have you ever felt that you wanted to be something more than a man's friend? But did not you know what to do to move on to something else? Or you want to seduce him but you do not know how? If so, then you must learn to activate your emotional attraction. Forget about chasing a man to take him to a committed and loving relationship. Acts counterintuitively. Personally, I have learned many things. I have also read enough, so in this content I will share with you 3 tricks for a man to beg being with you, instead of running away every time you tell him to have a stable relationship. 3 connection areas. 1. Intellectual connection. A woman who laughs frequently and who is curious. A woman who likes to play, who maintains a positive mood and who infect him with her energy. Men tend to be very rational. What they look for in women is that emotion they do not find inside themselves. So with such a personality, it will be easy to stand out from the crowd. In addition, he will feel that the variety of emotions that you transmit to him will not be found elsewhere. 2. Physical connection. Show a little but hide a little more, hint your attributes but do not show them, feel sexy and comfortable with your style. You must learn to have the confidence of a model even if you are not. You must also be a woman who knows what she wants and who knows how to get it. Be subtle. Remember that you must make him feel at all times that it is he who seduced you and not the other way around. If you are sensual, you will definitely have his attention. 3. Emotional connection. I mean that you worry about him, that you support him, advise him if necessary. Be careful, do not suffocate him. Leave him space. Being careful, I mean that he feels that you are there for him, that he can be the same and show himself vulnerable before you. It is important that you develop these 3 areas at the same time. If you do not, you may end up being simply his best friend, his coworker, or his sexual friend. Source: https://www.blog6datemeal.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 tricks for a man to beg being with you, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.